Hello everyone. Today I will give you some tutorials about on how to perform the basic components of MySQL. First, create a database where you can just type create database, then the name of your database that you want, then execute, then refresh. Next is create your first table. Just type create table, then the name of your table that you want, then the column names to be inserted into your table, including the strings to be used and the number of characters that you are going to use. Use int when integer, and use varchar when character. Just wait until you become finished typing your statements, then click the execute button and execute them. Then refresh to view them at the left side of your table.
Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away.
Next is create your second table. Just follow the first creation of your first table. The purpose of creating a table is for you to perform the left join process at the end of this tutorial, and just wait until you become finished typing your statements. Then, click the execute button and execute them. Then refresh to view them again at the left side of your table. Next is on how to insert values into your table. To insert values on your table, just type insert into, then the name of your table, then values, open parenthesis, single quote, then the desired values to be inserted into your table. Then close the quote, and close the parenthesis. Continue until you had filled in all of its columns. Then when you are done typing all of the values, you can now undergo the execution process. Just click the execute button and execute them. Then refresh after.
Just promise that you'll stay. Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. Gonna tell you and show you, do whatever I can do to get back to you. Yeah. Don't believe, yeah. Without you, baby. Never noticed, feels like to be without you, babe. I took last step, my friend, and my last indeed.
Next is on how to insert values into your second table. Like what you did into your first insertion of values into the first table. Just continue typing all the values that you want to insert until you become finished, or when you had already filled in all the columns on your table. Then you can now perform the execution process. Just click the execute button, then refresh to view the result of your insertions. When you have some mistakes on inserting the strings, or when the number of characters that you have inserted never reached the average characters needed, you just can't check it through using the edit table found on the left side of your table. Just right-click, then you can find it there. After creating and inserting tables and values, you can now delete some statements when needed. To perform this process, just type delete from table name, where condition, to know what statement that you want to delete. Then column name, then its values. Then after that you can now execute it. Next is on how to alter a statement. Alter is used to add a new column or delete a column into your table. When adding, just type alter table, table name, add, then the column name that you want to add. Then execute. Then refresh. There you can see the statement that you had already added. Next is on how to delete a statement. Just change the word add to drop, type alter, table name, drop, then the column name that you want to drop or delete. Then execute. Then refresh.
Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart I'll always stay. Girl, maybe
Next is on how to update your statement. Update is used to change the statements or values into your table. To perform this, just type update, table name, set, column name, equals values, then where condition. Then when you are finished or already done typing the statements, you may now execute it, then refresh. Next is std-dep-pop. std-dep-pop returns the population standard deviation. To perform this, type select std-def, open parenthesis, column name, then close the parenthesis, as population variance, from table name. Then execute.